Hey there! Frustrated because your TP-Link Bluetooth feature is missing in Windows 10? You're not alone. Many users face this issue with TP-Link adapters, and it can be quite a hassle. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix TP-Link no Bluetooth settings on Windows 10 so you can get back to using your devices seamlessly. Stick with us and soon you'll have everything up and running smoothly. Step 1. Check hardware compatibility. Before diving into intricate solutions, it's essential to ensure that your TP-Link adapter is compatible with your PC and Windows 10. Some older models might not support Bluetooth functions on newer Windows versions. Visit the TP-Link website and cross-check your model specification. Make sure it's designed to provide Bluetooth capability. If it's not listed, you might need to consider upgrading your hardware. Step 2. Install or update drivers. Sometimes the issue lies with outdated or missing drivers. Here's what you can do to install or update the necessary drivers. Download the latest drivers. Visit the official TP-Link support page and download the latest drivers for your model. Ensure that you select drivers compatible with Windows 10. Install the drivers. Once downloaded, run the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, restart your computer to ensure changes are applied using Windows Update. Alternatively, you can also check for updates within the Device Manager. Press Windows plus X, select Device Manager, then look for Network Adapter. Right-click on your TP-Link adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and allow Windows to find the necessary updates. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth in settings. If drivers are installed but the Bluetooth option is still missing, you may need to enable it in your system settings. Access Bluetooth settings. Go to Settings by pressing Windows plus I, then navigate to Devices and select Bluetooth and other devices. Turn on Bluetooth. If the option is visible, toggle Bluetooth on. If not, your adapter might not be recognized properly, indicating a possible hardware or driver issue. Step 4. Troubleshoot the adapter. If Bluetooth settings are still elusive, running the Windows Troubleshooter can help identify issues. Use Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, select Update and Security, then click on Troubleshoot. Choose Bluetooth and run the Troubleshooter. This tool can automatically detect and resolve problems related to missing settings. Check Device Manager. Ensure your device is correctly installed. In Device Manager, check if your TP-Link adapter is listed under Network Adapters or other devices with no yellow exclamation mark, which indicates a problem. Step 5. Check System for conflicts. Sometimes third-party applications or conflicting system settings might cause issues. Disable conflicting software. Temporarily disable antivirus software or other network-related applications that might interfere with your adapter. Perform a clean boot. This can help determine if startup programs are causing the issue. Type msconfig in the search bar, then in System Configuration under the Services tab, hide all Microsoft services and disable the rest. Restart your computer to see if the issue persists. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on how to fix TP-Link no Bluetooth settings on Windows 10. By checking compatibility, updating drivers, enabling settings, running the troubleshooter, and clearing system conflicts, you'll be back to seamless Bluetooth connectivity in no time. Remember, technology can be tricky, but often a methodical approach can solve even the most stubborn issues. Happy connecting!